How to add variants in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is looking to add variants in their Shopify store, all you have to do is head on over into products and then click on add product to add your product normally. Now you're going to title your product whatever it is and then click on upload new. Over here you want to upload all of the images of the variants. So if you have two variants, you want to upload both of the images over here and then just click on open. Now, whatever color you expect to sell more, you can set it as the color that is displayed over here. Then you're going to scroll down and add the price. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to track the quantity, but don't just add it right now. Scroll down and you guys will see category, meta fields, color, and makeup fields. Now, if you have things like sizes, you can add them in meta field and then add the meta field as a variant. But because my colors and my lipstick shades have different names, I'm going to create a custom option of color like this, and then I'm going to add new entry, and the first is going to be called nude mood, and it's going to be the pinky color that we just saw like this. And then I'm just going to click on save. The base value is going to be brown. I'm going to click on save, and the second one is going to be ruby red, and I'm going to click on add ruby red, and then I'm just going to select the color like so, and then just click on save. And just like that, I'm going to click on done. Now I'm going to click on these and I'm just going to click on done. And below that, we will see the variants, the prices, and then you're going to add the inventory. So I have 500 units of each and a total of 1,000 units in inventory. And click on the images and select each variant for the selected name it has. And then just click on save. And just like that, our product variants have been added. Now you can add multiple different variants if you have size variants, quantity variants. You can add that however you want. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.